So in this module, we are going to discuss our fifth question. What is that is, in the given figure, angle PQR will be equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equals to PRP. So actually, what is the given conditions? What are the given things are? So in the triangle PQR, angle PQR will be equal to angle PRQ. So this is the condition they are given. So it's nothing but they are giving that isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. So this side and this sides will be equal. Then opposite sides will be equal. Let consider angle PQR. So this is the angle. Let's take one angle there. Then given, then what is the RTP required to prove? So RTP is nothing but required to prove what is that angle PQS will be equal to angle PRP. So this is the condition we have to prove there. So let's take here angles. So let's take this angle. So angle PQS. Let angle PQS from exterior angle property, from exterior angle property of triangle, what you can say here is this angle PQS will be equal to, let's take this x degrees and here x degrees, here let's take y degrees. Why? Because they both are equal. From exterior angle property, angle PQS will be equal to, this angle will be equal to sum of the opposite angles. So for this angle, sum of the two interior opposite angles. So this angle will be equal to sum of these two angles. So like that, angle PQS is nothing but angle QPR plus angle PRQ. So what is that? Y degrees plus x degrees. So here also, let's take here both angles are equal, right? For that you can say like that. Another one angle here, another angle is here. So what is that? This angle PRT is sum of these two angles. So sum of these two angles. Exterior angle property, based on that, it will be equal to sum of these opposite interior angles. So let's write angle PRT will be equal to sum of angle QPR or RPQ. Let's write RPQ plus, then what you can write, angle PQR. That will be equal to y degrees plus x degrees. So here both are equal. From there, exterior angle property. So what you can write, both are equal now. Then finally you can write one condition that angle PQS will be equal to angle PRT. So based on, by which rule? Exterior angle sum property. So here they are given that angle PQR will be equal to angle PRQ. Like this also you can take. Here in these both places you can take like that. From exterior angle property of a triangle, based on that we are shown this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Here we are going to solve this one with another method. What is that here? So angle PQR and angle PRQ are equal. So we know that angle PQS will be equal to PRT. So we have to take this angle and this angle. So let's take this angle will be equal to angle P. So these two angles from exterior angle property. So from exterior angle property, we are going to solve this one of triangle. So what is that is angle PQS will be equal to here angle R plus angle. This is angle Q, this is angle R, this is angle P. So angle R plus angle P, that we know. So actually here we need to know one thing, that is angle Q will be equal to angle R. Then another one is angle PRT will be equal to angle Q plus angle P. So let's take this is 1 and this is 2. So let's subtract 2 minus 1. Equations 2 minus 1, that is angle PRT minus angle PQS. Left side all we have to subtract and right side also. angle Q plus angle P minus of angle R plus angle P. That will be equal to angle Q plus angle P minus angle R minus of angle P. Angle P, we are going to cancel plus and minus. Then another one is angle PRT minus angle PQS. That will be equal to angle Q minus angle R. That will be angle PRT minus angle PQS. So since angle Q and angle R are all equal, then what you can write here is angle Q minus angle Q. These two will going to cancel, then it will be equal to 0. Therefore, angle PRT will be equal to angle PQ. Yes. So let's take minus only, then 0. Then finally, if you shift to the right side, what it will come? Therefore, angle PRT will be equal to angle PQS. Like this also we can solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Now in this module we are going to discuss our sixth question. What is that is, in the given figure, if x plus y will be equal to w per z, then prove that AOB is a line. So before going to start our question, we should know about linear pair axioms. So what is meant by linear pair axioms in the angles? So here we need to add two adjacent angles, then it will going to give 180 degrees, then it will going to say that is a line. So here let's take here point, consider one point here. So this point intersection point of all the lines. So what is the angle at a point? So angle at a point, that will be equal to 360 degrees. So sum of all these angles. Then what the given condition? So given that x plus y will be equal to w per z. So here x plus y will be equal to w plus z. So here x plus y, these two angles and these two angles, that given that these two angles, they are given. So sum of all the angles. So what is that here is, so let's take angle COB plus angle COA plus angle AOZ plus angle here let's take here D. So angle AOD plus DOB, that will be equal to 360 degrees. Then so angle COB is nothing but x, angle COA is nothing but y, angle AOB is nothing but z, angle DOB is nothing but w. That will be equal to 360 degrees. So x plus y and z, w plus z. So from here you can take it as x plus y, you can substitute z plus w, that is z plus w in the place of x plus y. That will be equal to 360 degrees. So it's making that you can take it as 2x plus 2y, that is 360 degrees. So let us take 2 as a common, x plus y will be equal to 360 degrees. Then x plus y will be equal to 360 degrees by 2. So 2 ones are 2 180s. So what is that is, x plus y will be equal to 180 degrees. So what it means is, x and y are two adjacent angles. So you can take it as x plus y will be equal to 180 degrees. That implies w plus z will be equal to 180 degrees. So from linear pair angle axioms, you can take sum of two adjacent angles. Sum of two adjacent angles will be equal to 180 degrees. Then that line you can say it's sum of two adjacent angles. So here AOC plus COB, that will be equal to 180 degrees. That means you can say here is, so what you can say here, AOC and COB nothing but, that implies you can write it as x plus y, that will be equal to 180 degrees, and here angle AOD plus angle DOB equal to 180 degrees, that is w plus z will be equal to 180 degrees. Then what you can say here is AOB, therefore AOB is a line. So for line only we will have 180 degrees like this. Like this we need to solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.